Well, we made the flight, and after a late night in the bar and a good night's sleep, it was time to explore La Serena. La Serena lies about an hour's flight north of Santiago and is not far from the Pacific coast. The low morning sun provides a warm colour to these stylish buildings. The town itself seems quite a pleasant and safe place. Coquimbo is about 20 minutes away by bus, and this will be the starting point for our first ride on a Chilean train. Regular iron ore trains run through here to the nearby port. None of this high-tech stuff out here, just a man with a flag. Quite efficient, actually. The staff seemed quite friendly, even if we didn't have any common language between us. Our journey was just an amble through the countryside on what was now a disused part of the once north-south main line. What a turn of speed. I'm glad he's not chasing me. Chilean railways were built as two separate systems north and south of Santiago. Up here in the sparsely populated north, the track is metre gauge, whereas the southern railway is broad gauge. Before the recent upgrading of the roads, these lines were the only transport available to these remote locations. After a pleasant run through the countryside, here we are at Las Cardas. We are a bit of a fascination, strangers arriving by train on a line that isn't even open. In the high sun and heat of the day, it's not only the engine that needed to cool down. Nothing moves fast out here, and I can see why. All too soon, it's time to leave our private train and head off by road to the north. This area normally sees very little rain, however El Nino changed all of that. The infrastructure is generally built on the sandy ground, so when the rain does come, the results are dramatic. It should be another 10 years or so before it rains like this again, but in the meantime, so much for the line north. It is not just the railway that has suffered, the main road has also been swept away, so here we are on an old dirt track.